Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to talk about our brand new products. We have quite a stash of new products here and I'm going to take you through them. So starting with our new mini SceneScapes. These are fabulous to create some small cards. We've got 4 of the same in each pack, and then we've got 4 different designs. Okay, so these are on a matte card, so great for stamping onto, a real luxury card. Okay, moving on, we've got 2 square SceneScapes. These are also brand new. We've got a winter scene and we've got these beautiful colours coming through here. Great card again to stamp onto, exactly the same card, and we get 4 in a pack. Moving on, we have 3 different designs here, and these fit a DL card size. Beautiful colours, beautiful backgrounds. We've got some wintry ones, we've got lovely different colours, almost like a northern lights coming through there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 new acrylic boards. Now these acrylic boards are designed to fit our gel press. So you will see the name here, Roland. We've got ellipsical, we've got square Lee, and we've got bob long. And you'll see from these that they've got markers here where you can actually pop your gel press, making life a lot easier for you. Okay, we're going to be doing lots of demonstrations using the brand new products, so do keep your eyes peeled for these. I'm going to talk about our lovely stickers here now as well. So we've got 2 packs of mushroom stickers here. Beautiful transparent stickers, but obviously the image itself is completely opaque. So it will stick over the top of any design, any coloured background. Again, we will be doing more demonstrations using these to give you an idea of what good quality these stickers are. So we've got the leaves there, we've got birds, and we've got some beautiful butterflies. Okay, so pop those to the side, and lastly we have some beautiful Dreamscape papers. These are on a luxury card again. Just going to get these out the packet because you need to actually see this. So these beautiful papers, look at the colours on those, absolutely stunning for all your backgrounds. Okay, anything to do with backgrounds, or of course you can stamp straight onto these. I'm just quickly flicking through there so you get an idea of what's in there. So we've got, these are 8x8, 150 GSM, and there's 30 double sides of 10 unique designs, as you can see, and this is called the Enchanted Forest Collection. So we have an abundance of new products for you guys, things that you've been asking for, and we have now brought them all to you today to share with you. Hi guys, this is Tracy and I am back to do a quick crafts using some of these beautiful mini SceneScapes. Okay, so I've got some samples here before we get started, just to show you how quick and easy these mini SceneScapes are to use. I've even popped some of our brand new stickers along the edge here on this card. I've created this beautiful mini card, stamping some of our mushroom stamps and then some of our sticker mushrooms over the top. Doesn't that look fab? And we've got our little robin here on one of our stamped branches, and I'm going to show you today how to create this one. But lastly, I just wanted to show you another one here in one of the frames, and I think that makes just a superb gift. So they're not just for cards, they're for little pictures or whatever you want really. But these are just a few samples, a few ideas to give you guys what we can do with these scenescapes. Okay, so I have my mini scenescape here, and I am firstly going to ink up our branch. And then taking one of our stickers, and as you can see, the image is opaque, the surround is completely transparent. Thanks for joining me, guys. You take care. Bye for now.